If you want to grow your Facebook page faster, this video will show you exactly how to increase your Facebook page likes and follows using a simple daily strategy. Whether you're running a business page, a personal brand, or a community page, these tips can help you get more attention, build trust, and bring in real followers over time. And before we jump in, if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media growth tutorials. The first and most important step is to post consistently every day. Facebook rewards pages that stay active, and your audience is much more likely to follow a page that keeps showing up in their feed. You do not need to post dozens of times a day. In fact, posting one strong piece of content every day can be enough if you do it consistently. The key is to create a rhythm your audience can recognize and trust. When you post, focus on high-quality images and videos. Clear visuals are more likely to stop people from scrolling, and that means more engagement, more shares, and more page follows. Try to use bright images, clean text, and videos that are easy to understand even without sound. If your content looks professional and useful, people are far more likely to like your page and follow for more. Another important part of growth is using trending hashtags. Hashtags help Facebook understand what your content is about and can make your posts easier to discover. Choose hashtags that are relevant to your niche, your topic, and current trends. Don't overload every post with random tags. Instead, use a small number of meaningful hashtags that support your content and help the right audience find you. Next, make sure you reply to comments and messages quickly. This is one of the easiest ways to build trust and encourage more engagement. When people see that your page responds fast, they feel more connected to it. That connection makes them more likely to like your page, follow your updates, and interact with your future posts. Even a simple thank you or a quick answer can make a big difference. Consistency, quality, and responsiveness work together. If you post every day, share strong visuals, use relevant hashtags, and stay active in the comments, your page becomes more visible and more valuable to visitors. Over time, that can lead to steady growth in both likes and follows without needing complicated tools or paid promotions. So if your goal is to increase your Facebook page likes and follows, start with this daily routine and stick with it. The more consistently you apply these steps, the better your results will be. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.